Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, unplug the mattress and deflate to 0%. This relieves pressure and exposes gaps. Once done, strip sheets and inspect the pump, hose connection, and valve seam because most leaks are there. Use a towel to dry wet spots, then mark suspected areas with a marker so you don't lose them. You'll need a repair kit, glue, and a soft brush. Prepare those tools nearby, because speed matters once you find the weak spot. You now perform the patching process carefully. Clean the area with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry completely. Moisture prevents adhesion. Next, apply the supplied adhesive or a flexible patch. Press firmly for 30 to 60 seconds and smooth the edges to avoid wrinkles that trap air. If the leak is near a seam or valve, reinforce with a second overlapping patch for strength. Make sure to follow cure times on the kit and avoid stretching the bladder while glue sets. Finish by reinflating the bed gradually. Bring it to 50%, listen and run your hand over patches to feel escaping air, then go to 100% to confirm a full fix. If you still hear hissing, swap the hose and tighten the valve nut. Sometimes the fault is a loose fitting rather than the bladder. If multiple patches fail or the pump seems faulty, document what you tried and contact Sleep Number support. This prevents wasted effort and may qualify you for professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.